Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect WhatsApp Business to Bitrix24. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your WhatsApp Business channel so messages can flow straight into your CRM, helping your team respond faster and keep every customer conversation organized. First, open your Bitrix24 workspace and head to the Chat and Calls area. This confirms you're in the Communication Hub and makes the next navigation steps simple. If you have multiple work areas open, give the page a moment to load so the main menu appears. Next, look for the CRM option in your Bitrix24 navigation. Depending on your layout, it may be in the left-hand menu or along the top bar. When you see CRM, click it to enter the CRM workspace. If you don't see CRM, check that you have the right permissions or switch to the main menu layout. Administrators typically manage these settings. Once you're inside CRM, move your mouse to the top navigation and hover over the Customers section. This reveals additional tools connected to customer communication and data. From the list that appears, click Contact Center. The Contact Center is where you manage all your inbound and outbound messaging channels in one place, which is exactly where WhatsApp Business will be connected. On the Contact Center page, find the WhatsApp option. It usually appears as a dedicated tile alongside other channels. Click WhatsApp to open the connector setup. If your account uses layout variations, scroll a bit to locate it. Sometimes it's grouped under messaging apps. In the WhatsApp pane, click Connect. This starts the connector wizard. At this stage, Bitrix24 will guide you through any required confirmations and provider details. Keep in mind, you'll generally need administrator access in Bitrix24 to complete this connection. Also, WhatsApp business messaging in Bitrix24 typically relies on an approved provider. If your organization already has a provider set up, have those details ready. The wizard will tell you exactly what is needed and validate the connection for you. As you proceed, follow the on-screen prompts carefully and review any suggested settings so messages are routed to the right queues or responsible users. Clear naming and assignment rules help your team stay organized from one. If something doesn't appear, refresh the page or check with your Bitrix24 admin to confirm app installation permissions. That's it for the navigation and setup initiation. By starting from Chat and Calls, moving into CRM, opening the Contact Center, selecting WhatsApp, and clicking Connect, you've reached the exact spot where the official wizard completes the link between WhatsApp Business and Bitrix24.